If we zoom in further, solder the wire to the lead. Good.
Then extend it to the right length.
Following the direction of the wire, wipe it, clean it thoroughly, then turn it parallel to your body. Curved tweezers in your left hand, straight tweezers in your right. Gently hold the wire with your left hand. Then pinch the wire end to a point. After making a small hook, gently press down on the wire end. After the first loop is done, do the second loop the same way. Grip it gently. Then push forward. Push. Forward. Push it into the hole. Position it. Correctly. Then take out the super glue. Gently wrap it around the wire ends and coils. Place it outdoors. Great, finally take out the plate. Good, blow away the excess super glue. Perfect, all done.